My name is Nancy. I've been a patient of Dr. Steinberg's for about 15 years. The most recent visits I have come was to address the sun damage and the aging process of my face, and Dr. Steinberg has done laser for this. He has done some Botox, some Restylane. He has done my upper eyelids and my lower eyelids to make my face smoother and just to make me feel better about myself, to make my self-confidence more. The pain that I felt with these procedures have been very minimal. The downtime, I'm usually back to my normal activities within a day or so. I just enjoyed the work that he does, the professionalism. He takes the time to explain everything to me. I just enjoy his work and being here with his staff when I come in.
I'm Dr. Tom Steinberg. I'm a dermatologist. We practice here in North Columbus on Williams Road. I went into dermatology because it's very gratifying. You can see the patient's problem, but you can then see, as you help them, their improvement. So it's a wonderful feedback for us to know that we're doing well by that patient and that we're doing good for that patient. We see many patients with many kinds of diseases and conditions in dermatology. We see many patients who come in who want to improve the way that they look.
I've been coming here for about 2 years, I want to say. The treatment that I've been given is for a facial hair removal. I come because it's working. The treatments haven't been painful. I thought it was going to be really bad. When I talked to other people about laser hair removal, everybody's attitude was like, oh, that's going to hurt. But they haven't been painful at all. The office is very comfortable. The staff is really nice. They care about you and they make sure that you're comfortable. They make sure they follow up with the treatment and to assure that everything is working properly. While doing the treatment, they'll ask whether or not it's painful, is it uncomfortable, do they need to do something differently. So it's pretty cool to come in and basically hang out with everybody and spend about an hour or so getting treated. I would recommend that my friends come here, and I have recommended the treatment to other individuals because it's the first treatment that I found that actually works.
We've seen patients who come in with scars from acne that they've had their whole lives, and they'll come in, their heads will be down because they're ashamed of the way that they look, and they're afraid that other people will think less well of them. And as we treat those, and we treat the scars with either some filler or subcision or laser resurfacing or excision or any one of a whole lot of other treatments that we use in dermatology for that. And as we treat those scars, we can see sometimes the improvement quickly and sometimes a little less quickly, but we see that improvement, and the patient comes in more confident and they raise their head up and they look us in the eye, and it's just a joy for the patient and it's a joy for us. It's the gratification that we're here for. We've practiced in Columbus for 14 years. Originally we were at St. Francis Medical Park, but we found we wanted to build a facility that allowed us the ability to handle all kinds of skin conditions and all kinds of problems. So we built this building here on Williams Road. We wanted to make it convenient, so it's right off the Interstate Exit 12, about a half mile east. It's very easy to get to. We designed it to be able to offer the most modern, most technologically advanced treatments. We wanted to be able to have treatments here that people otherwise would have to go to Atlanta or New York or Los Angeles for. We have 9 lasers here in the office to treat different kinds of skin conditions. Most dermatologists would have 1 or 2 lasers. We have 9 lasers here because we want to be able to offer different kinds of treatments with the different kinds of lasers and make those specific for the conditions that people are coming in for. We have a laser that's particular to tattoo removal, and it does it much more quickly and more effectively than a standard laser would. We have lasers for skin resurfacing and lasers for skin peels to take off the top layer and smooth the skin. We have treatments to tighten the skin that go underneath the skin, treat the collagen, and make it tighter and firmer. We have several lasers that we use for permanent hair removal. We have different lasers for different skin types. The laser beam shoots photons down, and they pass through the top level of the skin and go underneath to treat the follicle, to cut down on hair growth, and we get actual permanent hair removal.
Dr. Steinberg and his staff here have helped me with several skin conditions. I've had several cosmetic conditions done. I'm very happy, pleased with all of them. I had a skin condition that required extract done on me, and that's working very well. My daughter is a patient here and my son is a patient here. We've all had great and excellent service and wonderful experience.